Hello everyone, and welcome back to Advanced Web Rankings video series. In the following minutes, you will learn how easy it is to have the whole team join your AWR account. But what about your customers? They'll be able to access the latest performance stats straight in their browser, just by clicking a link. Let's head over to the Users section. This is the place to manage your team of invited users or invite new ones. There are 3 available roles in AWR. Account Owner. This is you, or the main registered user, who has full access to everything around, managing projects, handling billing, and so on. The second is the Administrator, who has read-write access to all the projects monitored in the account, and also the Team Member, who only has read-write access to a set of projects that were assigned to him. Let's invite a new user and see how it goes. Look for the upper side Invite option and choose the type of user you wish to invite. I'll have my colleague join AWR as an admin. She will automatically have access to all projects with read-write permissions. The white label settings are the only ones inaccessible to this type of user. Alternatively, if you choose to invite a team member, don't forget to select the projects you wish to assign access to. Once invited, users will first follow the account activation steps, and then they'll each log in to their own personal AWR account. Now, let's get back to my newly invited colleague. It looks like her account was activated in the meantime. Some of the most important user permissions to remember are: both team members and admins have editing access to your AWR projects, so they can influence the unit consumption. Besides adding keywords or search engines, changing page depth or updating frequency, they can also create new projects. Admins have full access to the AWR account, except for the white label settings. You can review the project changes timeline using the activity log, and monitor your account units allocation using the resources section. User roles can be edited at any point. A team member can be promoted to have admin rights, and vice versa. Now, let's move on and see how to share the latest performance stats with your clients. Have you ever wondered how easy it is in AWR to set up meaningful reports that stand out and prove your work? Introducing shareable links, which make it simple for your customers to access reports online in their browser. You can give them access to one or more projects. Let's now set up the dashboard with the data you'd like your customers to see, along with their accessibility level, where you can choose between interactive, allowing them to switch keyword groups, search engines, apply filters, or make any other tweaks to the online report, or view only, where the viewer can only visualize an exact dataset. Next up, choose the projects, UI sections, and live reports the clients will have access to. Last but not least, decide whether you wish for your customers to receive a notification every once in a while, so they can remember to check the latest stats. The permalink will stay the same over time. Send it to anyone in your team or to your customers so they can bookmark it and access the data at any time, as long as the link is active. People accessing the data through the permalink have read-only access to your project. They cannot edit it or impact the resource consumption of the AWR account. Curious to see how the data looks when accessed through the link? Let's paste it into a different session in our browser and take a peek. It looks like the AWR interface, but don't forget, it's view only. You can switch between the shared projects or change the date range of the report. Furthermore, you can filter the data by inputs like keyword groups or search engines. And that's it. I hope you now know everything about sharing access to your AWR projects and what's the best way to assign permissions depending on your team roles. And the best part is that this is free, it all comes with your subscription. All advanced web ranking subscriptions come with unlimited user seats, offering the possibility to manage an ever-growing team and client portfolio. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next videos.